Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of EPACK Prefab Technologies Ltd. We were incorporated in the year 1999 and have a legacy of over 25 years, operating into two business verticals, that is, 1. Prefab business, wherein we provide complete solutions to customers on turnkey basis, which includes designing, manufacturing, installation and erection of pre-engineered steel buildings, prefabricated structures and its components in India and overseas, prefab business, and 2. Manufacturing of expanded polystyrene sheets and blocks, also referred as EPS block molded products and EPS shape molded products, for various industries such as construction, packaging and consumer goods in India, EPS packaging business. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and used by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and EPACK Prefab Technologies Ltd that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public offer on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms, by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and pre-offer and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the Red Herring Prospectus dated September 18, 2025 and the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated September 18, 2025 carefully before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. EPACK Prefab Technologies Ltd IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each, aggregating up to 3,000 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 10 million equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each, aggregating up to 10 million rupees. The anchor investor bidding period will close on Tuesday, September 23, 2025. The offer will open on Wednesday, 24th September 2025 and close on Friday, 26th September 2025. Incorporated on February 12, 1999, having its registered office in 61B, Udyog Vihar, Surajpur, Kasna Road, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Greater Noida, 201306, Uttar Pradesh, India, and corporate office B13. Ecotech First Extension, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Greater Noida, 201306, Uttar Pradesh, India. Based on the CRISIL report, among our evaluated peers, in the last 3 fiscals, we are the fastest growing in terms of revenue from operations, registering a compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, of 41.79% between fiscal year 22 to 24, and our revenue from our prefab business registered a CAGR of 55.48% between fiscal year 22 to 24. We registered the second highest CAGR in earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization, OPBDIT, between fiscal year 22 to 24 at 56.45%, the third highest return on equity, ROE, of 29.12% in FY24, the third highest return on capital employed, ROCE, of 27.21% in FY24, and the third largest production capacity in the pre-engineered steel building PEB industry. The CRISIL report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for by our company in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. As a part of our prefab business, we offer pre-engineered steel buildings, prefabricated modular building structures, light-gauge steel frames, LGSF, sandwich insulated panels and other standard modular solutions to our customers. We also undertake projects on turnkey basis, wherein we provide complete prefabricated structures that involves estimation, designing, engineering, manufacturing, transportation, installation, and erection of prefabricated structures at the site of the customer. As on March 31st, 2025, our total installed capacity at our 3 manufacturing facilities situated at Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Ghiloth, Rajasthan, and Mambattu, Andhra Pradesh, is 1,33,922 metric tons per annum of pre-engineered capacity and 5,10,000 square meters of sandwich insulated panel capacity. In addition to our manufacturing facilities, we also have 3 design centers located at Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. In our EPS packaging business, we provide a variety of EPS shape molded and EPS block molded products, including EPS sheets, packaging boxes for electronic goods, and hand molded packaging box. As on March 31st, 2025, we had a capacity of 8,400 metric tons per annum. These are tailored to meet the specific packaging needs of our customers. Our EPS packaging business products are known for their lightweight, insulating properties, impact resistance, making them ideal for various industries such as construction, packaging, and consumer durables. We sell our prefab business products under the brand name EPACK Prefab and EPS packaging business products under the brand name EPACK Packaging. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. UP Pollution Control Board has filed a complaint against our company under Section 14(2) of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas Act 2021, Air Act, for non-compliance of the directions under the Air Act. In case the said complaint is decided against our company, it may impact our EPS packaging business. 2. We have made certain non-compliance in respect of conduct of 1. AGM and filing of financial statement, 2. Loans to directors, and 3. Inaccuracies in filing of Form DPT3. In case our application for compounding are not accepted, we may be exposed to penalties. 3. The interests of our promoters and directors in our promoter group and group companies, namely EPACK Durable Ltd and East India Technologies Private Limited, may cause conflicts of interest in the ordinary course of our business. 4. We are dependent on top 10 customer in respect of our EPS packaging business. Loss of any major customer may impact revenue from our EPS packaging business. 5. Our registered office and all of our manufacturing facilities are located on leased land. We are yet to execute a formal sale deed in respect of the land situated at Mambattu, Andhra Pradesh, where we intend to expand our existing manufacturing facility. If we are unable to comply with conditions of use of such land, we may have to relocate our operations, which may have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 42 of the RHP. As on the date of the Red Herring Prospectus, the promoters of our company are Sanjay Singhania, Ajay D.D. Singhania, Bajrang Bothra, Lakshmipat Bothra, and Nikhil Bothra, who hold in aggregate 31,318,702 equity shares, constituting 36.52% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company. Our board comprises of 10 directors, of whom 2 are executive director, 1 is non-executive nominee director, 2 are non-executive non-independent directors, and 5 are non-executive independent directors, including 1 woman non-executive independent director. Our company's revenue from operations for fiscal 2025 was 11,339.17 million rupees with an EBITDA margin of approximately 10.39%. The company registered a restated PAT of approximately 593.22 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 5.20% for fiscal 2025. Investors are advised to read the RHP, including pages beginning 380 for further information on financials and related information. A summary of outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company, directors, promoters, subsidiary, key managerial personnel, senior management personnel, and group companies in accordance with the SEBI ICDR regulations. as of the date of this red herring prospectus is disclosed below. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 491 of the RHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding our working capital requirements and general corporate purposes. The price band for the IPO is 194 rupees per equity share, floor price, to 204 rupees per equity share, cap price. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NEBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Monarch Networth Capital Limited and Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited are the book-running lead managers to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the Red Herring Prospectus dated September 18, 2025, the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated September 18, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto, before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information for making their investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the Red Herring Prospectus dated September 18, 2025, any addenda and corrigenda thereto, and the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated September 18, 2025, for taking any investment decision in relation to the offer.